English 9, week 4. So we're just cranking through it. This week I have really enjoyed reading your Didn't Belong stories, and there's just a wide range of experiences, and it's been really interesting to learn more about you and to learn about times when you felt like you didn't belong. Keep up the good work. I'm really enjoying it. This week you'll be writing your own scary story experience. You read mine last week. I want you to write yours this week. For mine, I had you really analyze it for imagery. Could you smell something? Could you see something, taste something, hear something? And I'd like you to try to challenge yourself to do that for this week, for your scary story, scary house experience. Try to put in those different details that would really help us be there with you in this scary situation. I'm also having you read this week my holiday story, and that'll set you up to write your own holiday story next week. So enjoy writing, enjoy reading, and let me know if I can do anything for you. Bye.